你好，我是袁老师。Hi everyone, this is Miss Yuan, and let's continue our fourth grade Chinese today. 4年级中文. And firstly, let's see what's our learning targets today. First, I can recall words about hobbies in Chinese. Second, I can count numbers 0 to 100 in Chinese. And lastly, I can say different time in Chinese. Okay, let's start. So first, hobbies. Do you remember how to say singing in Chinese? Or how about the others, like swimming, reading, playing games? Yuan Laoshi will give you 30 seconds. You're going to think about those hobbies. How do we see them in Chinese? Okay, let's review them together. Please repeat after me. Reading, 看书. Very good. Try it again. 看书. Playing games. Please repeat after me. 玩游戏. Nice. Try it again. 玩游戏. Good. And singing. Could you repeat after me? 唱歌. Nice. Try it again. 唱歌. Good job. Dancing. Could you repeat after me? 跳舞. Nice. Try it again. 跳舞. Good. And drawing. Could you repeat after me? 画画. Very good. Try it again. 画画. Nice job. Doing sports. 运动. Nice. Try it again. 运动. Good job. Watching TV. Could you repeat after me? 看电视. Nice. Try it again. 看电视. Good. And last one, swimming. Could you repeat after me? 游泳. Nice. Try it again. 游泳. Good. And also we learned more sports last time. Do you remember? If you use your hand to play that, and you should use 打, right? For example, 打篮球, playing basketball. Could you repeat after me? 打篮球. Good. Try it again. 打篮球. And playing football. Could you repeat after me? 打橄榄球. Nice. Try it again. 打橄榄球. Very good. And playing ping pong. Could you repeat after me? 打乒乓球. Nice. Try it again. 打乒乓球. But how about you use your feet to play that sport? Then what verb should you use? You should use T, right? For example, 踢足球, playing soccer. Could you repeat after me? 踢足球. Nice. Try it again. 踢足球. Good. And we have one more. Jogging. 跑步. Could you repeat after me? 跑步. Nice. Try it again. 跑步. Very good. So those are the hobbies we learned last time. And we can use the sentence 我喜欢, which means I like. And 我不喜欢, which means I don't like, with different sports. Okay, now you have 30 seconds. You are going to use 我喜欢 with one hobby and 我不喜欢 with another hobby to make your sentences. You can make it up. Let's try it. Good job. Next, we are going to talk about the time. Do you know how to say 3:45 in Chinese? To talk about time, like how to say 3:45 in Chinese, we are going to review the numbers first. Do you still remember how do we say the number from 0 to 10 in Chinese? How about I give you 15 seconds, you count by yourself. Okay, and let's count together. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Could you count by yourself now? You have 10 seconds. Okay, and we also have the Chinese characters for each number. Let's see them together. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. And where is number 10? It's here. 10. And how about this? It's 20, 20. How about this? It's 30. What's 30? 3 and 10. It's 30. 30. And 40. What's 40? It's 4 and 10 put together. 40, 40. This one is 50. What's 50? It's 5 and 10. Put it together. 50 is 50. How about 60? What's 60? 6 is 6 and 10 is 10. Put them together. 60 is 60, right? And how about 70? What does 70 mean? 7 is 7 and 10 is 10. Put them together. 70 is 70, right? And how about 80? What's 80? 8 is 8, 10 is 10. 80 is 80. And 90, what does 90 mean? 9 is 9, 10 is 10. 90 is 90. Did you get them? And how about 100? 100 is 100. 100 because 百 means 100 and E means 1. So 100. 100. Could you try it with me? 100. Great. Okay, now let's make more numbers between 0 to 100. For example, 16. How do we say 16 in Chinese? Let's do a math. So 16 equals 10 plus 6. How do we say 10 in Chinese? It's 10, right? 10, and this is a Chinese character for 10. How do we say 6 in Chinese? It's 6, right? Then we put them together. 16 is 16. 16. Next number, 78. How do we say it in Chinese? How about I give you 15 seconds? You figure it out by yourself first. Okay, let's do the math. Again, 68 equals 60 plus 8. First, do you still remember how do we say 60? 60 equals 7 times 10. So put them together. 70 is 60. 70. Then plus 8. 8 is 8. So put them together. 78 is 78. 78. Did you say it correctly? 78. Next number. How do we say 35? You still have 15 seconds. Let's try to figure out. Okay, it's still a math. So 35 equals 30 plus 5. And for 30, it's 3 times 10. So how do we say 30? 30, right? 30. Then plus 5. 5 is 5. Put them all together. 35 is 35. 35. Now it's your turn. You're going to tell me how do we say 29 in Chinese. You have 15 seconds. Okay, 29 equals 20 plus 9. And 20 is 20. and plus 9 together, 29. 29 is 29. Did you say it correctly? Next number, 63. How do we say it in Chinese? You still have 15 seconds. So 63 is 60 plus 3. And 60 is 60 plus 3. 3 together is 63. 63. Did you get it? Next, 17. You still have 15 seconds to figure it out. Okay, 17 is 10 plus 7, so it's 17. Did you get all of them? Now we are going to talk about time, which is 时间 in Chinese. Could you try it with me? 时间. Good. And when you talk about 时间, time, first you need to talk about a clock. This is a basic one. And in Chinese, we call a clock 点. Could you try it with me? 点. Very good. Try it again. 点. And let's look different time and try to say it. So this one is 3 o'clock. And in Chinese, we call it 3 o'clock 点 3点 Could you try it with me? 3点 Good. So when you talk about the time, some o'clock, you put the number before 点 o'clock. How about let's see next one. This one is 7 o'clock. So how do we say it? 7 is 7, right? And o'clock is 点. Put them together. 7点, 7 o'clock. Could you try it with me? 7点. Good. Try it again. 7点. Next one. This is 11 o'clock. How do you say it? Could you try to figure it out by yourself? You will have 10 seconds. This one is 11点 because 11 is 11 and 点 clock. Then put them together. 11点 Could you try it with me? 11点 Nice. Try it again. 11点 Good. So this is how do we say o'clock in Chinese. We put number before 点. Next, minute. Minute is 分 in Chinese. Could you try it with me? 分. Good. Try it again. 分. Okay, let's see this one. It's 3:05. First, we need to figure out how do we say 3 o'clock. Do you remember how to say 3 o'clock in Chinese? Yes, 3 o'clock is 3点, right? 3点 and 05. How do we say 5 in Chinese? 5 is 5 and 5 minutes, 5分, right? 5分. But 3:05 is a little bit tricky in Chinese. When we say 3:05, we are going to see this 0. So how do we say 0 in Chinese? It's 0, right? So we call 3:05 3点05分. Could you try it with me? 3点05分. Good, try it again. 3点05分. Next one. 7:20. Do you remember how do we say 7 o'clock? Yeah, it's 7点, right? Then 20. 20 is 20. And 20 minutes is 20分. So 7:20 is 7点20分 in Chinese. Could you try it with me? 7点20分. Good. Try it again. 7点20分. Very good. And next one is 11:46. How do we say it in Chinese? You have 15 seconds. Could you try it by yourself first? Okay, 11 is 11 and 11 o'clock is 11点, right? We talked before. And 46 is 46. And then minute is 分, so we put them together. 11点46分. It's a little bit hard. Let's try it again. Could you repeat after me? 11点46分. Good. Try it again. 11点46分. Nice job. And then we're going to talk about half an hour, and we call it 半 in Chinese. Could you repeat after me? 半. Very good. Try it again. 半. Okay, let's look the first 3:30. How do we say it in Chinese? There are two ways to say it. We call it 3点30分, 3:30, right? 3点 3 o'clock, 30分 30 minutes. This is the first way we can call this in Chinese, but there is another way. We can use this 半, which means half an hour. We can call this 3:30, 3点半, 3点半. Could you try it with me? 3点半. Very good. Try it again. 3点半. And then, how about this one? This is 7:30. 7:30. We still have two ways to say it. You can try both of them. You have 15 seconds. Try it by yourself. Okay, so the first way you can say it, you can say 7 o'clock 30 minutes. 7点30分. 7点30分. Or you can say 7 o'clock half an hour, which is 7点半. Could you repeat after me? 7点半。Good. Try it again. 7点半。Last one. 11:30. How do we say it? Still, could you figure out 2 ways? You still have 15 seconds. Okay, so the first way we can call it 11 o'clock 30 minutes. 11点30分, right? Also, we can call it 11 half an hour. 11点半. Could you repeat after me? 11点半. Nice. Try it again. 11点半. Very good. Okay, now you are going to tell me, how do we say 2 o'clock in Chinese? Okay, you may tell me 2点. This one is a little bit tricky. So when we talk about 2 o'clock, we don't say 2点, we use 2点, 2点. This is a very tricky one in Chinese. You have to say 2点 to mean 2 o'clock. Could you repeat after me? 2点. Good. Try it again. 2点. Very nice. And this one, you only use it with a clock, not a minute. So if you want to say 2 minutes, you still say 2分, 2分. Now let's figure out how do we say 2 o'clock 25 in Chinese. You have 15 seconds, and don't forget how do we say 2 o'clock in Chinese. Okay, it's 2点, right? 2 o'clock, 2点25分 25 minutes, 2点25分 Did you get it? 2点25分 Okay, now please look at the clock and tell me what's the time in Chinese now. You have 30 seconds. Let's do it. Good job. And if you want to ask what's the time now, you can use this. 现在几点了? What's the time now? 现在 means now. So if you just want to ask what's the time is it, you can just use 几点了. It's also okay in Chinese. You can ask 现在几点了 or 几点了. Both okay. Could you repeat after me? 现在几点了? Nice. Try it again. 现在几点了? Very good. Okay, now we are going to watch a video and you are going to use your left arm as the hour hand and use your right arm as the minute hand. Then you are going to stretch, follow the clock in the video.
现在几点？你好，现在几点？现在2点。现在几点？ 现在3点。现在几点？现在4点半。现在几点？现在7点半。现在几点？现在9点10分。现在几点？现在10点25分。现在几点？现在11点45分。Yay!
Okay, now you're going to answer my question. 现在几点了？ Look the clock and answer me using the time. 现在几点了？ This one. 4点35分 Did you get it? Next. 现在几点了？This one. 8点 And this one. 现在几点了？10点30分 or 10点半 Let's check if we learned everything. First, I can recall words about hobbies in Chinese. Second, I can count numbers 0 to 100 in Chinese. We did it. And lastly, I can say different time in Chinese. Yes, we learned it together. And then you are going to practice on Nearpod today. You are going to type join.nearpod.com in the internet browser. And then today's code is KG875. That's it for today. If you have any questions, send me an email. I will see you next time. 再见。